Some people have Telegram accounts on their phones but unfortunately don't know how to use it. So in this video, I'll be walking you through the basic steps on how to use Telegram as a beginner. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. When you use an Android phone, you can go on Play Store, tap on Play Store, search for Telegram and install Telegram. But if you use an iPhone, you can go to App Stores, search for Telegram, also install Telegram. Then tap on sign up, put your phone number, your email address. They will send you a code to verify, and then get sign up, create an account with Telegram. After that, go now and open Telegram as a first user. You can see here Telegram. You can tap and open Telegram. If you open Telegram, it looks like this. But you can see here, down here, we have 4 tabs here. We have chat, we have contacts, we have settings, and we have profile. So if you tap and open Telegram for the first time, you will see it will be on chat. On chat here means here's where you see all your chat history. If you chat somebody, the history will be right here. You can see for me, I have 2 chats here. I have Telegram and also Collins Tech, which is my channel. So on this tab here, we have contacts. If you tap right here, you will see all the list of the contacts on your phone. That is those that have Telegram on their phones. But for me, you can see no contact right here because right now I didn't allow access to Telegram to access my contacts. You can see, but later I will do it. So you can see that right here is settings. You can tap on these settings here and do several setup. You can see privacy and security. You can scroll down and do several setups. And right here is profile. You can tap on this profile right here. You can see on this profile, you can do several changes or setup. You can see set photo, which is profile photo. You can tap right here and then choose any photo here, select, tap on it, and then set as profile photo. You can also use an emoji. You can tap right here, select any emoji that you want to use. For instance, anyone. Look at it's appearing here. You can choose this one, appearing here, or anyone. You can choose this one and then set my photo. If you set, the emoji will be here as your photo. Then you can tap on this edit info. For instance, if I tap here, you can also change several things. You can add the username to your account if you wish. You can add a birthday. Also, you can change your name if you wish. Also, right here you can see here add personal channel. You can tap right here and create Telegram channel. Now let's go back. If I go back, right here is settings. Settings here, stick also settings. Now let's go back to chat. Now on chat, now as a beginner, how do you start to chat people? Because if I tap on contact, there's no contact list right here. So it means that I can see my friend list here or my contact here. So how do I add new contact, or how do I add new person to start chatting? Now to add the new person to start chatting, you can see here this plus icon right here. Just tap on it right here. If you tap on it right here, you can add a contact. You can see here new contact. Also right here, you can create a new group. You can see new group. You can tap on this new group right here and then tap on this next and then enter your group name. Like for instance, I can just enter like for instance tech as a group name. Tech, you can see right, and then tap on this good icon. You can see I've created a group. I can tap on this add members and then add members. If I grant Telegram access to my contact, I'll see my contact right here. I can select them and add them. Or on the other hand, I can actually copy this link here and go to anywhere and copy and send the link so that they can join the group through my invite link. Also, I can go back, for instance. Then right here again, you can see here new channel. You can create a new channel. You can tap on this new channel right here and create a channel. Now, how do you add a contact to start chatting? To add contact, you can see here new contact. Just tap on this new contact. Then on this new contact here, you can see you can now put the contact name. Let me just say, for instance, I'll just put this B. You can see. So come here and enter the person's phone number that you want to add. So I'll come here and enter the contact's phone number. So if you put the person's phone number, you can come and tap on this create contact. Also, you can also add contact via QR code. So tap on this create contact. You can see I've created a contact B by the name. I can tap hi. If I send hi, the person will get it. Now if I go to my chat, now for instance, if I go to my chat, you can see I will see the person here, B. I've sent hi to the person. You can see, so as I said, on my chat is where I see those that I have chatted with. Here's my chat. Also, you can also set story to your account. You can see this camera icon right here. You can tap right here, and right here you can go live if you choose to. Also, you can set story, like right now it is on camera. You can see, so you can choose to snap here and then set as a story. You can see here up here new story. You can see up here new story. So you can actually come here and maybe add a caption, anything, and then tap on this good icon. Then tap on this next. Then you can see here, choose who to see your story. Like for me, it is on default everyone. You can tap on this post story. Then right now you can see it's updating right here up, and my story will be here, and my contact will view my story. You can see here it has updated. If I tap right here, you can see that my story has been updated. Equally, I can get it deleted. I'll come here and tap on this three dot right here and tap on this delete, and the story will be deleted. You can see, right? Now, how do you give Telegram access to your contacts so that you can see your contact on your contact list? Now, to do this, now first of all, if you use Android phone, use Android phone, then go back to your phone. Then on your phone, go to your phone settings, tap on settings on your phone. If you tap on settings, then scroll down until where you see privacy. On some phones you see privacy on security, but on my phone it's only privacy. Tap on this privacy. If you tap on privacy here, you can see here permission manager. Tap on it. If you lose, you can see here look for contacts. You can see contacts. Tap on contacts. Then if contact opens, look for Telegram. Scroll down and look for Telegram. You can also come here and search for Telegram. You can see here Telegram. Tap on Telegram. You can see right now I deny Telegram access to my contact. So tap on this allow. If you tap on this allow, then go back and open Telegram. So come here and tap on this Telegram and open Telegram. If you open Telegram, you can see it on chat. Now, even if I go on this contact, if I tap on contact, even right now, there are no contact right now. So come on, tap on these settings, and on settings, tap on this privacy and security. Then scroll down from here. If you scroll down, you can see here sync contact. On this contact option, you can see here sync contact. Toggle this on. If you toggle this on right now, if I go back, I will see my contact. Now if I go back to chat, for instance, if I tap on this chat, you can see all my contacts have come. If I tap on this contact, you can see now all my phone contacts for those that are on Telegram are all right here. You can see all these contacts, and those that are on Telegram, you can see them, right? So now I have my contacts. Also, I can add contact by coming and tap on this icon here, this plus icon right here, and then choose the person I want to chat with. I can tap on anybody right here and send hi to the person. You can see, right? So as well, you can still disable the contact. For instance, you can still deny access to Telegram for the contacts. Then you can still go back to your phone and tap on settings. On settings, tap on privacy. Then tap on this permission manager. Look for contact, tap on contact. Then look for Telegram. And from right here, you can see here Telegram, tap on Telegram. Then deny access. Then go back and open your Telegram. Tap on Telegram. If it opens, tap on settings. Then scroll or tap on this privacy and security. Then scroll down. On this contact, toggle this off. And then delete sync contact. Tap right here and delete. So right now your contact won't be found again. If I go back to my chat, you can see my contacts are no more. You can see, right? So you can do more setup as a beginner. I believe by now you know how to do or how to add contact, how to create a group, also or how to allow Telegram access to your contacts. Also, you can do some setups. Come on these settings. If you tap on it, you can see here on this privacy and security, you can do settings. You can tap right here. Then right here, you can do some other setups. You can set a two-step verification. Come here, tap on this set password. Tap your password and create or set a two-step verification. You can go back as well. Then you can actually enable a passkey, but right now there's one passkey on this account. Just tap here and then enable a passkey for iPhone users. So you can also change your login email. You can see you can tap right here and tap on this change email. You can put a new email. They will send you a code, you will verify, and then you will change login email. So as a beginner, guys, that's how you can actually use Telegram as a beginner. You can see, right, I believe in this video I've covered the basic tutorial on how you can use Telegram. Anyway, you're confused, please ask me in the comment section and I'll be all there to answer you. For now, thanks for watching and bye.